A floppy cheer bow quickly loses shape, causing it to lay flat and limp. Rhinestones and heavy decorations can make it even worse. One way to stiffen a bow is to bond 2 layers of ribbon together. Here is how. First, cut 2 pieces of ribbon. You can use the same color or 2 different colors of ribbon. Next, iron a piece of 3 dyes Iron-N-Bond Fusible Adhesive to one of the pieces of ribbon. We offer the adhesive on a roll so you can cut it to the size you need. For this bow, I am using 28 inches of purple grosgrain ribbon. The adhesive is paper-backed, so it's easy to iron on. Once you bond the adhesive to the first piece of ribbon, peel away the paper backing. You'll see the adhesive stay on the ribbon. It's a heat-activated adhesive, so it won't feel sticky. After you peel away the paper, put the second piece of ribbon on top. Iron again to permanently bond the 2 pieces of ribbon together. Once it's bonded, you can even add rhinestones, spangles, or vinyl cutouts to the top. Next, you'll want to fold your ribbon. I'm using the Cheer Bow Template Mat from Cheer Bow Supply and adhesive sticky dots to hold the ribbon in shape while folding. Align the center fold on the template and line up the 2 sides of the ribbon along the guide. The center fold is also useful to help keep your loops straight before you crease the center. If this is crooked, your loops will be lopsided. Fold the ribbon back and forth to make peaks and valleys that are as even as possible, and use a zip tie to secure the center. If you're using a seamless ponytail holder, you can put it right inside the zip tie. Check to make sure the bow is even before pulling the zip tie tight and finishing off the center. You usually have a little bit of wiggle room to make adjustments at this stage. If it's very crooked or lopsided, just cut the zip tie and start over. Now you can add your finishing touches. Don't forget to trim your tails. I'm using a 2-row AB crystal center and hot glue around the center. Since you used 2 layers of fused ribbon, your cheer bow will have extra thickness and structure to hold its shape and stand out above the rest. Ribbon bows look amazing with 2 colors or all on their own, keeping you picture perfect from the first move to the final pose.